Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, let's take a look again on the Bitcoin market. So you can see market was inspiring by the speech of the Donald Trump on the conference in Bitcoin. So Donald Trump has said lots of really loud things concerning the perspective of the cryptocurrency. It was put the market in some really inspiration, euphoria, and you can see the performance. So in fact, the daily bullish pattern that we have discussed and trade and set up based on the bread and butter trade, based on the grabber, has worked really nice. So by taking a look at the longer picture here, when the market stands inside of the flag, overall situation looks for now positive. So market, although slowly but keep going higher, returning back to the all-time high, and actually this is the last effort that stands for the market is to challenge the top. So because all other resistance levels already has been broken, here market have a few intraday targets, probably somewhere in between, but in general price is aiming on the major top. It's what is really very interesting today, guys, that if you take a look at the 10-year bonds, you could see that actually while the market was forming bullish reversal and forming hand shorts here, yields have collapsed today. So it was really very fast drop on the 10-year bonds. I don't know what's the reasons for that. Maybe market starts seriously think about rate cut in July, because in the recent week, the more and more speeches and rumors was about this moment, although nobody is expecting right now this. But as a Goldman Sachs, as the former Fed chairman New York and Dudley, both talked about the possible rate cut in July. You know that this is our major position. I have a strong feeling that it's really good chances that this will happen, although market is not ready for that. And I was talking about this in the recent month, because this is a very suitable moment. So we will see. Maybe this is the reason. Maybe some information is leaked on the market. So we will see. But this is obviously supportive for the Bitcoin as well. And here, this market keep going higher. As I said, now is challenging on this top. On the weekly chart, I do not see something really special. So mostly market stands in the same area and moving higher. Most interesting information stands on daily and follow time frame chart. On the daily, you could see that grabber has worked perfect, as well as a bread and butter trade. So you can see the result of the bread and butter, not always stopped. And the minimum target, as we said, the 618 level, as we thought that bread and butter might become the part of the intraday hand short pattern. But in reality, it could become just a continuation pattern. So market just continuing after forming the bread and butter is continuing upward action. So there are two actually barriers to the upside. First one stands on the trend line around 71 area resistance. Next will be already the all-time high. So that's actually two moments. Market is not at ever bought, neither on the weekly chart nor on the daily. So in fact, it has the free space above and theoretically could keep moving higher. Failure of the hand shorts that we thought, or better to say not quite failure, it just has not been formed. So because what we recall what we said here, you could consider taking the long position if you'd like to trade bread and butter trade, if grabber will appear and so on. It has worked nice. Bears have had to watch for a recent taking the short position around 66 area, if you remember, because here should be head should be the top of the right arm, but it just has not been formed. Market just moved above the head, so this pattern has failed totally. So this is also bullish context. Now I suggest that if we consider some targets, we could use only in extensions to the upside to calculate possible destination point nearest time. So market right now stands in reaction on the 127 extension of the first swing to the downside. And I think that theoretically we could consider next target is around 71.64 approximately. This is I draw it as the third drive because potentially it might looking like the three drive pattern, and some minor bounce here also could happen. But three drive in the current circumstances is not quite logical, because we understand that the market stands aimed on the top, on the 74 area, and downside reversal here might be not really logical, not reasonable. That's why we could consider this pattern only as estimation of the next possible target, and maybe some pullback here could happen as a reaction on the third drive. But in general, context remains bullish, and on this background that we have, personally I do not want to consider any short positions, because to do this we need to see or to get really clear bearish patterns that we do not have right now. So that's why we think that it's not the time yet to consider any short positions. Let's see what will happen. Those of you who have long positions and you have taken the long position with our bread and butter trade and grabber, theoretically you could keep them, just do not forget to manage the stops. So that in fact that we have currently. So today, in nearest few sessions until the Fed meeting, maybe market could take some relax here, showing some pullback, because this is more or less, but some still resistance and some minor respect here could happen. But in general, as I said, overall context remains bullish. So let's keep watching what will happen, especially interesting what will happen after the Fed meeting.